Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to cancel a subscription in Gohighlevel. If you are switching plans, pausing services, or closing your account, it is important to manage your subscriptions to prevent unexpected charges. Let's get started. On your Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to Settings, which you can find in the lower left part of the page. Click on Settings. Once you are in Settings, go to Billing. Just click on Billing. In Billing, you can choose to modify or cancel your subscription. Click on that option, then click Show More drop-down. Here, you can cancel the subscription. Follow the steps in the cancellation process. Click to continue. You can adjust your choices here. Click Next. If you want to continue, you can click I still want to cancel your subscription. That's it. Before finishing, make sure to back up any important data and check your billing cycle.